Hello guys and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy. Police got a report about a driver who broke into a vehicle, stole it, drove around town and even crashed it. Officers gathered around and they started chasing this guy down, and eventually they did manage to capture him, and this whole footage is a live action of how it all happened. Make sure to stick around for this one and write me your thoughts about their action.
Okay, can we get the...
Hey, flashlight!
Around 500, there's one subject for the officer. One subject.
The suspect offered great deal of resistance and he didn't want to stop when the officers called for him to stop, and of course, they had to pin him down and cuff him.
Can any unit or supervisor obtain advice if we need fire rescue? Number one, and number two is the vehicle that's a 22 is already in custody with somebody.
No, me, sir. Oye, para him down, para him down, para him down. Abre los pies. Abre los pies.
Pero escúchame un motivo.
Abre los pies, bro. Esto está suelto.
Ay, abrí los pies, macho.
Cojones.
Abrí los pies, macho.
Mira para allá.
Pana, por favor, no me den más golpes.
Nadie te ha dado golpe. Deja de hacerte la víctima allá. Cojones.
Por favor, yo no he hecho nada. Mira, por favor.
I have no idea how this crazy guy thought that it would be a good idea to break into someone else's car, drive it around town and eventually crash it. And when the cops called him, well, he broke down in tears. But he should have thought about this way before he committed the crime.
Macho.
Sigue respirando así, te vas a desmayar. Deja los huevos ya. Sigue respirando así, te vas a desmayar. Te quieres desmayar a propósito.
Ay, te lo juro por mi mamá. Por mi madre,
Ahora
que está por mi hija, que está buena, por favor, que mi hija, que está viva.
Oh, it's so crucial. It's so crucial.
If you don't get the elements of behavior going, there is not a product, there's not a mutual fund, there's not a technique, there's not a TikTok video that's going to help you. If you don't get the elements.
In case you ever wondered how not to properly behave in traffic, well, this is the video for you guys. Pay close attention at this crazy driver who dangerously cuts other vehicles off as if they don't exist on the road, and try your best to avoid repeating these things. This is a pure example of an unlucky driver. Only in a matter of half a minute, the camera got nearly hit 4 times.
No seatbelt, and you're gonna make a U-turn illegally. No seatbelt and U-turn legally. How nice is that?
I really need to go to that case as well.
I think that was the closest I've seen, because I feel like I've seen all the punches.
Yeah.
Although that was the best picture I've ever seen. I don't think I have enough now. So I can't figure
Lock the video.
Ouch. Mamma mia. Oh.
How does that man not get eaten by that?
No, number one, we are not in the food chain for alligators. Crocodile caimans, yes. But you cannot train an alligator not to.
You know me, don't you? You know me, don't you?
Let's say there's a couple things about this car I do like, but I wouldn't want to keep it. It's a little too small for me.
Yeah.
But I do like the...
Ooh.
Right there.
There he is.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, get a picture of that one.
Oh, he gets to go on YouTube. But, the Android Auto here?
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that would mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.